Ooh la la la! I got a fan. It's a 52-inch large room Hampton Devron. We're going to be unboxing it today. It was an open box I got off of eBay. We got it from my cousin's room, and we're going to be customizing it, but today is just an unboxing video. So, I'm going to be doing that, and then we'll do an installation video too. But let's get it open. Oh, by the way, if you're new here, it's Mr. Unpredictable. I renamed my channel. It's also aka Gregory Parker. Whichever one you want to call me that, or call me, that's fine with me. But let's get started. I probably shouldn't be cutting towards myself, but do I give a crap? No. Gotta open all this. There we go. Damn, they really taped this up. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, so it's a box inside a box. What the? Oh, what the? Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. So this is a used fan, obviously. They were on the verge of installing it. So I got all the stuff, including the blade. So I got the blades. Set those off to the side. You got the use and care guide for the Hampton Devron. It comes with its mounting bracket and all the assemblies for it. That's what it looks like. It comes with the blade arm. And this is the exact same fan that's already in there, but the one that we have, the blade arm is broken. And we also don't know what all else is wrong with it. So, we got 2 chains with it. It has a light bulb, and probably a 4th one in here. Yep, a light bulb. But let's get all the stuff out. So there's 3 more brackets. So I got 4 out. Here's the light kit, which the one on ours is also missing these screws, and the shades are on a different fan. So 1 shade. Is it good? Okay, yes. Oh, I also found the coupler piece. Got the down rod. Really long. We're not going to use it. Unlike the one that's already up there. Wow, this is really, really light. I thought that was going to be a lot heavier. So we got the Devron itself. It will be going up tomorrow. And we got the last blade arm. Blade arm. Here is the other light bulb. They all have light bulbs in them. They're all EcoSmart. Shade number 2 is also good. So, put that back in this package. And I will be putting everything back in the way it's supposed to be in here. And then, shade number 3. It's all good. And then, obviously, number 4. It's also all good. But we're going to put the bulbs all with the shades. I'm going to put it in here as best as I can of the original thing. Oh, there's also another menu. Because it doesn't have the top styrofoam piece, which it should, but it doesn't. So I'm putting it in here as nice and neat. Let's put the Devron back down. I think that one's up the other way, huh? More than likely. And then it does have all its screws right here. It has all the blade arms and blade screws and everything, so it has all the screws. Put those over here. That's probably where that's meant to go. Kind of lay that down. Lay it down as nice and neat as I possibly can. But it does have all its parts, and it even has like the hardware and whatnot, which is pretty good. I'm very glad about that. It comes with wire nuts, instructions, and everything. But that's it for this very quick unboxing. Because there's no install to it. But I figure, since I got this, I would go ahead and take a video of it. Now, it will be installed tomorrow, even though it's going to get customized. It's just going to go ahead and go up so it can be used and tested and whatnot. But the shades and the fan and whatnot are all getting customized. The actual thing, because my cousin likes lime green, we're going to put green polka dots, essentially, like lime green polka dots all over it and just speckle it. And then we're going to speckle the shades. And then these blades are going to get painted white on which side, so comment down below which side you want turned white. And second thought, that question is no needs to be asked because it has a damaged blade, but we have extra blades, so actually go ahead and take that back. Tell me which side you want customized, and I will take your comments into votes, so let me know. Thank you so much for watching. This is Mr. Unpredictable checking out. Y'all know what to do. Smash that subscribe button. Make sure it's gray. Smash that like button. Hit that notification bell. Make sure it says all. Comment down below, like I said, on what blades, or what side of the blades I should do. And also, comment down below if you want more videos like this. And y'all know what to do. Smash the subscribe button. Stay unpredictable. Peace out.